Question 41. Which of the following is a true statement? A. You can always trust other drivers to turn in the direction that their turn signal is indicating. B. Mail or city delivery truck drivers are professionals and do not pose any hazard to you. C. You do not have to worry about individuals driving cars with out-of-state license plates. D. Short-term or daily rental truck drivers are often not used to driving a large vehicle and may pose a hazard to you. The correct answer is D. Question 42. Which of the following can you not check at the same time? A. Turn signal, brake lights, and four-way flashers. B. Headlights and clearance lights. C. Taillights and clearance lights. D. Clearance lights and four-way flashers. The correct answer is A. Question 43. The Commercial Driver's License Manual says you should use your horn. A. To make the deer standing alongside the road move further away. B. When a car gets in the way. C. If it may help you to avoid a collision. D. When you begin to change lanes. The correct answer is C. Question 44. What is hydroplaning? A. An emergency situation created when an aircraft must make an emergency landing on a highway. B. Excessive heat buildup in the radiator. C. Something that only occurs at high vehicle speeds. D. When your vehicle wheels lift off the roadway on a thin film of water. The correct answer is D. Question 45. Can federal inspectors inspect your truck or bus? A. Yes, and they have the authority to place you out of service. B. Yes, but they have no authority to place you out of service. C. Yes, but only at a port of entry. D. No. The correct answer is A. Question 46. If you're being tailgate, you should A. Motion for the tailgater to pass you when it is safe. B. Increase your following distance. C. Turn on your four-way flashers. D. Slam on the brakes. The correct answer is B. Question 47. How many missing or broken leaves in a leaf spring will cause your vehicle to be placed out of service? A. 1/4 of the total. B. 1/2 of the total. C. 1/3 of the total. D. Any. The correct answer is A. Question 48. Which of the following is true about rear drive wheel skids when braking? A. The vehicle's front wheels will slide sideways. B. It is not a cause of jackknifing. C. The locked wheels have more traction than the wheels that are rolling. D. If it occurs with a vehicle towing a trailer, the trailer can push the towing vehicle sideways. The correct answer is D. Question 49. Which of the following statements is true? A. Hazards are easier to see at night than during the day. B. Many commercial motor vehicle accidents occur between midnight and 6 a.m. C. Most drivers are more alert at night than during the day. D. It is recommended that you use your high beams at all times during the period from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. The correct answer is B. Question 50. A first offense for driving a CMV under the influence of alcohol or drugs will cause you to lose your CDL for at least A. 3 years. B. 1 year. C. 2 years. D. 6 months. The correct answer is B. Question 51. How do you know if your vehicle has anti-lock brakes? A. Tractors, trucks and buses will have a yellow ABS malfunctions lamp on the instrument panel. B. Trailers and dollies are required to have a yellow malfunction lamp on the left side. C. Both A and B are true. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Question 52. What is road rage? A. Operating a motor vehicle with the intent of doing harm to others or physically assaulting a driver of their vehicle. B. Anything that takes your attention away from driving your vehicle. C. Operating a motor vehicle in a selfish, bold, or pushy manner without regard for rights or safety of others. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Question 53. Off-ramp and on-ramp posted speed limits are usually safe for A. All vehicles. B. Large and heavy vehicles only. C. Lighter vehicles only. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Question 54. How do anti-lock brakes help you? A. ABS replaces your normal braking system, which allows you to stop in a shorter distance. B. ABS helps you avoid wheel lockup and maintain control. C. ABS will prevent power and turning skids. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Question 55. What is aggressive driving? A. Operating a motor vehicle with the intent of doing harm to others or physically assaulting a driver of their vehicle. B. Anything that takes your attention away from driving your vehicle. C. Operating a motor vehicle in a selfish, bold, or pushy manner without regard for rights or safety of others. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Question 56. What type of vehicles can get stuck on a railroad highway crossing? A. Low-slung units such as a lowboy, car carrier, moving van, or livestock trailers. B. Single-axle tractor pulling a long trailer with its landing gear set to accommodate a tandem axle tractor. C. Both A and B are correct. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Question 57. Pre-programmed radio stations, preload favorite CDs, review maps, plan your routes and adjust your mirrors before you start your trip are things that you can do to A. Prevent driver fatigue. B. Prevent distracted driving. C. Reduces fatigue when driving at night. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Question 58. While driving a CMV that requires a CDL, the use of a cellular/mobile phone is A. Strictly forbidden. B. Can only be used when required/allowed by motor carriers. C. You may only use as a hands-free mobile phone that is located close to you and that can be operated in compliance with the rule to conduct a voice communication. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Question 59. Which of the following does not cause front wheel skids? A. Too little weight on the front wheels. B. Not enough weight on the tandem trailer axle. C. Turning while braking hard. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Question 60. Which of the following statements about sleep debt is true? A. You can overcome it with willpower. B. You take drugs to keep you awake until it goes away by itself. C. This debt can only be paid off by sleeping. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C.